Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this VPS host for agencies. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about the VPS host for Liquid Web is one of the solid choice for agencies needing reliable, high performance VPS hosting. It offers a excellent uptime, fast SSD, NVMe storage, scalable plans, DDoS protection, and a flexible control panel option like cPanel and pSlick. These features make it perfect for managing multiple client-side or high-traffic projects with the added benefit of root access for full customization. Its strong support and proactive monitoring also help agencies keep sites running smoothly. On the downside, the Liquid Web is more expensive than many competitors, making it less ideal for small sites or tight projects. Some users also report slower support response time during the critical issues, which could be risky for client sites required immediate attention. So in my opinion, if performance and reliability plus scalability are your priority, budget allows, and Liquid Web is one of the best VPS hosts for agencies in 2025 and 2026 to be precise. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.